What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and portable soldering iron that doesn't require a bulky soldering station, then today's video is for you. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the new ZOYI ZT-T12 Smart Soldering Iron. This portable soldering iron delivers up to 100 watts of power, supports USB Type-C fast charging, features intelligent PID temperature control, and is compatible with professional T12 soldering tips. We'll check out what's inside the box, go over its features, test its performance, and see whether it's worth buying for electronics repair, PCB soldering, and DIY projects. So let's get started. Unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find the ZOYI ZT-T12 Smart Soldering Iron. A protective carrying bag. And the user manual. The first thing you'll notice is how compact and lightweight this soldering iron is. It weighs only 67 grams, making it comfortable to hold for long soldering sessions. The body combines aluminum, ABS plastic, and a silicone grip, giving it a premium feel while providing good heat insulation and a secure grip. Unlike traditional soldering stations, everything you need is packed into this slim, pen-style design. Design and build quality. On the front, we have the replaceable T12 heating tip. The handle features a bright OLED display that clearly shows the temperature, input voltage, and power output. At the rear is the USB Type-C port for power input. The overall construction feels solid and durable, and the compact size makes it ideal for carrying in a backpack, toolbox, or field repair kit. Another advantage is that the soldering tips are easy to replace, allowing you to switch between different tip shapes depending on your soldering task. Features and specifications. Now let's talk about what makes this soldering iron stand out. The ZOYI ZT-T12 supports a wide input voltage range from 9 to 28 volts, making it compatible with many different power sources. It supports multiple fast charging protocols, including PD, QC, AFC, FCP, VOOC, and SCP. This means you can power it using a USB-C PD charger, a compatible power bank, a laptop charger, a car charger, or a desktop power adapter. When paired with a suitable high-power USB-C adapter, it can deliver up to 100 watts, providing excellent heating performance. Another highlight is the professional T12 integrated heating core. Unlike traditional ceramic heaters, the heating element is built directly into the soldering tip, resulting in much faster heating, excellent thermal recovery, and highly stable temperatures. ZOYI claims the iron reaches working temperature in around 5 seconds, which is extremely impressive. Temperature can be adjusted from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for everything from delicate electronics to larger connectors and thicker wires. The intelligent PID closed-loop temperature control continuously monitors the tip temperature and keeps it stable with approximately 1 degree Celsius accuracy. This helps produce cleaner solder joints while reducing the risk of overheating sensitive electronic components. Smart functions. The smart features are equally impressive. The OLED display provides real-time information including temperature, voltage, and power output. There's also an adjustable auto sleep mode, which can be set anywhere between 1 and 60 minutes. When the iron remains idle, it automatically lowers its temperature to save energy and significantly extend the life of the soldering tip. The soldering iron also supports tip temperature calibration, allowing users to fine-tune temperature accuracy when replacing tips. Additional safety features include overheat protection and an anti-static design, making it safer for working with sensitive electronic components. Performance test. Now it's time for the real test. After connecting the soldering iron to a compatible USB-C PD charger, the OLED display powers on instantly. As soon as heating begins, the temperature rises very quickly. Within just a few seconds, the tip reaches soldering temperature and is ready to use. Let's test it on a PCB. Let's solder a thicker wire and connector. The solder melts smoothly and wets the pads quickly, producing clean and shiny solder joints. Even with larger joints, the iron maintains excellent temperature stability without noticeable heat drop. The PID control responds quickly whenever heat is transferred to the workpiece, allowing continuous soldering without waiting for the tip to recover. The lightweight design also makes detailed soldering work much more comfortable than using a heavy soldering station. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, replacing electronic components, assembling DIY projects, or working in the field, the ZT-T12 performs confidently. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable. Fast heating in approximately 5 seconds. Powerful 100 watts output. Supports multiple USB-C fast charging protocols. Stable PID temperature control. Bright OLED display. Replaceable T12 soldering tips. Adjustable auto sleep function. Excellent for electronics repair and fieldwork. Cons. To achieve the full 100 watts output, you'll need a compatible high-power USB-C PD power supply. Also, replacement T12 tips are usually purchased separately if you need different tip styles. Final verdict. Overall, the ZOYI ZT-T12 Smart Soldering Iron offers an excellent balance of portability, performance, and smart features. Its fast heating, accurate PID temperature control, USB-C power compatibility, and lightweight design make it an excellent choice for electronics hobbyists, technicians, engineers, and DIY makers. If you're looking to replace a bulky soldering station with a compact solution that still delivers professional performance, the ZT-T12 is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check current pricing or learn more about the product, I've placed the buying link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel WA Electronics, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews of electronics tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!